Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a photo into your Google Docs resume perfectly. So if you want to make your resume stand out, you need to add a photo of you, a portrait of you to the resume. Here, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first, you can add into the drawing options in Google Docs. You can just go to insert, drawing, click on the new. Now here, click on this image options and then choose the image that you want. You can upload it from your device. Okay. So this is the image that I want to add into the Google Docs resume. Now you can click on the image in here and tap on crop image. Or here click on the drop down. So if you want to only use it as in formal rectangle like this, you can just leave it as it is. But if you want to turn it into a shape, for example, I'm going to use a circle shape in here. Sorry, it's not a circle but oval. So you can just choose the shape, and after that here you can just click on save and close. Now resize the image in here and put it aligned with your info. Now you can change the alignment into behind text. You can just put it on top and resize it just like this. But if you want to just use the default size, here you can just click on the image again and reset it. Click on save and close, and you can just go with this. So that's how you can add photo to your resume using Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.